We're heading to the Crystal Caves to go and see some bats and some crystals and some caves.
Mark driving into the Crystal Caves.
We are on the highest point of the island right now. Whoa. Besides the dome. Did your ears pop on the way out?
No.
So if you have any questions about the trees, the plants, the caves, or even the island, feel free to ask. If I know, of course, I will answer. But if I don't know, I promise I will not make it up. I will Google it. I have Wi-Fi.
Alright guys, welcome to Open Ceiling Cave, and this is why they call it Open Ceiling Cave, because of the opening. Now, some people believe that the island is volcanic because of the rock formations you see on top, but no. What you see on top is not lava, it's all limestone. Everything you see in here, guys, is natural. That's finished.
Precious. Hello, welcome to my house. Please come through the door. Over here you'll see the kitchen. Up there is the chimney. Over there is my bedroom.
It's a bit dusty.
Don't judge. But yes, there's my bedroom. There's my living room. You can see the TV in the back left-hand corner. Very spacious. Sorry I didn't make my bed. I didn't know you would be here. But yes, welcome to my home. That's my garage. Over here you can see the security features in my home. These will come down like spikes.
Welcome to our crib.
It's beautiful, so spacious. Family, come visit.
Welcome to Lake Cave. You don't have to be a scientist to know why they call that cave Lake. Anyone knows why they call that cave Lake Cave?
Put a lake in it.
Well, a scientist, I can do my job. That's fine.
So pretty.
This is our sunroom in our new home. It's beautiful. That's where the movie theater is going to be.
Yeah.
Projector. This is so exciting.
Bats, if one of them falls on the ground, guys, there is no way they can flap the wings to fly back up.